Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In previous videos we have studied how to convert decimal number into binary number, octal number and hexadecimal number. Am I right? In today's lecture, in today's video, we are going to learn how to convert the given binary numbers into the decimal numbers. So we have four different binary numbers with us. As they have mentioned, the base is always 2. If you remember, for the binary number, base is always 2. For octal number or the octal conversion, the base is always 8. And for the hexadecimal number, can you just tell me what is the base for the hexadecimal number? It is always 16. So let's begin with the first example to understand the conversion from binary number to decimal number. So let's consider first example. What is given? 1, 1, 0, 1 and it is in binary. Am I right? As I told you, in binary conversion or binary, the base is always 2. It means that there will be only two possibilities, either 0 and either 1. So here if you observe carefully, 1101, this is the given binary number. We have to convert this particular number into decimal number. Okay, so please pay attention over here. What is the trick that you need to apply in this case? So first you have to remember this digit. Let's consider on the top of this digit, write down 2 raised to 0. If it is 0, next term would be what? 2 raised to 1. You have to increase the degree. Here you will be getting 2 raised to 2 and the next would be 2 raised to 3, as we have 4 digit number with us. Am I right? So after assigning all the higher degrees, you have to multiply this particular number with the given digit. So please pay attention over here. Here I need to write 2 cube into 1. Please pay attention over here. The first digit, so this is 2 cube into 1. Then you have to club them. So what would be the second value you are going to write? 2 square into 1. Similarly, you need to tell me for the third one. Here again you have to put positive sign. Next would be 2 raised to 1 into 0 and then plus 2 raised to 0 into 1. After solving this, as you know that, can you tell me what is 2 cube? It is nothing but equal to 8 into 1 plus 2 square is 4 into 1 plus 2 raised to 1 is 2 into 0. Anything raised to 0 is what? Anything raised to 0 is always equal to 1. So here you need to write 1 into 1. So can you tell me the answer? 8 into 1 is 8 plus 4 into 1 is 4 plus 2 into 0 is 0 plus 1 into 1 is 1. So the final answer is 13. I hope you have understood the first conversion from binary number to decimal number. Now let's consider second example to understand the conversion. I hope you have understood the first example. Coming to the second example, what is that? 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 and then you have to put the base. Am I right? Now let's begin with the unit place number. So what you need to do? Here you have to write 2 raised to 0. Next would be 2 raised to 1. Next 2 raised to 2. Next 2 raised to 3. Next 2 raised to 4. Next you need to apply 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 6, 2 raised to 7. What would be the next procedure that you need to apply in this case? You have to consider the first number, that is 2 raised to 7 into 0. Then you have to club them. While clubbing them, you need to consider the second number and then third number, and so on. I hope you have understood this concept, how to convert binary number into decimal number. Next would be 2 raised to 3 into 0, then plus 2 square into 1 plus 2 raised to 1 into 0 plus 2 raised to 0 into 1. Let me check. The first value is what? 2 raised to 7 into 0 plus 2 raised to 6 into 0 plus 2 raised to 5 into 1 plus 2 raised to 4 into 1. Next would be 2 raised to 3 into 0. I hope you are getting this. Okay. Next is what? After solving this particular equation, you will be getting 0 plus 0 plus 2 raised to 5 is what? 32. Plus 2 raised to 4 is what? 16 into 1 is 16. Plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. I hope you have understood how to convert binary number into decimal number. So can you tell me the answer? 32 plus 16 is 48. 48 plus 4 is 52. 52 plus 1 is 53. So this is nothing but 53 into what? Decimal number. So I hope you have understood how to convert the given binary number into decimal number. These two examples you have to solve, and then please do write in comment section what would be your answer, what answer you will get. So thank you so much for watching. In next video we'll learn how to convert binary number into hexadecimal number and octal number. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.